Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.
Is she reading a book?
She is reading a book.
She is not reading a book.
Are they playing soccer?
They are playing soccer.
They are not playing soccer.
Is he cooking dinner?
He is cooking dinner.
He is not cooking dinner.
Are we studying for exams?
We are studying for exams.
We are not studying for exams.
Am I listening to music?
I am listening to music.
I am not listening to music.
Is the dog chasing its tail?
The dog is chasing its tail.
The dog is not chasing its tail.
Are the birds singing in the trees?
The birds are singing in the trees.
The birds are not singing in the trees.
Is it raining outside?
It is raining outside.
It is not raining outside.
Are the children laughing loudly?
The children are laughing loudly.
The children are not laughing loudly.
Is she writing a letter?
She is writing a letter.
She is not writing letter.
Is he painting the walls?
He is painting the walls.
He is not painting the walls.
Are they building a sandcastle on the beach?
They are building a sandcastle on the beach.
They are not building a sandcastle on the beach.
Are we watching a movie?
We are watching a movie.
We are not watching a movie.
Is the teacher explaining the lesson?
The teacher is explaining the lesson.
The teacher is not explaining the lesson.
Is the chef preparing a delicious meal?
The chef is preparing a delicious meal.
The chef is not preparing a delicious meal.
Am I typing an email?
I am typing an email.
I am not typing an email.
Are they swimming in the pool?
They are swimming in the pool.
They are not swimming in the pool.
Is he fixing the car?
He is fixing the car.
He is not fixing the car.
Is she watering the plants?
She is watering the plants.
She is not watering the plants.
Is the baby sleeping peacefully?
The baby is sleeping peacefully.
The baby is not sleeping peacefully.
Are the workers constructing a new building?
The workers are constructing a new building.
The workers are not constructing a new building.
Are we hiking in the mountains?
We are hiking in the mountains.
We are not hiking in the mountains.
Is the sun shining brightly?
The sun is shining brightly.
The sun is not shining brightly.
Is she practicing the piano?
She is practicing the piano.
She is not practicing the piano.
Are they cleaning the house?
They are cleaning the house.
They are not cleaning the house.
Is he playing the guitar?
He is playing the guitar.
He is not playing the guitar.
Am I taking a shower?
I am taking a shower.
I am not taking a shower.
Are we waiting for the bus?
We are waiting for the bus.
We are not waiting for the bus.
Is the cat sleeping on the couch?
The cat is sleeping on the couch.
The cat is not sleeping on the couch.
Are the students taking notes in class?
The students are taking notes in the class.
The students are not taking notes in the class.
Is she jogging in the park?
She is jogging in the park.
She is not jogging in the park.
Are they having a picnic?
They are having a picnic.
They are not having a picnic.
Is he driving to work?
He is driving to work.
He is not driving to work.
Are we attending a concert?
We are attending a concert.
We are not attending a concert.
Is the mechanic fixing the engine?
The mechanic is fixing the engine.
The mechanic is not fixing the engine.
Am I studying Spanish?
I am studying Spanish.
I am not studying Spanish.
Are they riding their bikes?
They are riding their bikes.
They are not riding their bikes.
Is she doing yoga?
She is doing yoga.
She is not doing yoga.
Is he surfing the internet?
He is surfing the internet.
He is not surfing the internet.
Are we cooking dinner together?
We are cooking dinner together.
We are not cooking dinner together.
Are the kids playing with their toys?
The kids are playing with their toys.
The kids are not playing with their toys.
Is it snowing heavily?
It is snowing heavily.
It is not snowing heavily.
Are the birds migrating south?
The birds are migrating south.
The birds are not migrating south.
Is she knitting a sweater?
She is knitting a sweater.
She is not knitting a sweater.
Are they organizing a fundraiser?
They are organizing a fundraiser.
They are organizing a fundraiser.
Is he skateboarding in the park?
He is skateboarding in the park.
He is not skateboard in the park.
Are they playing soccer?
They are playing soccer.
They are not playing soccer.
Are we redecorating the living room?
We are redecorating the living room.
We are not redecorating the living room.
Am I trying a new recipe?
I am trying a new recipe.
I am not trying a new recipe.
Are the musicians rehearsing for the concert?
The musicians are rehearsing for the concert.
The musicians are not rehearsing for the concert.
Is she taking photographs?
She is taking photographs.
She is not taking photographs.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.